In this video, I'm going to show you guys on how to make money online just by watching YouTube video with this provided website. But before we proceed, if today is your first time of visiting my channel, my name is Joshdehustler, and in this channel I teach you guys on how to make money online. So if this is what you are looking for, follow me to the end of the video, and don't forget to like the video, comment what you thought, and subscribe. So without further ado, let's begin. So over here in my screen, guys, you see that I'm in the withdrawal part, and for you to be able to withdraw in this website, you have to have your PayE, your Add Cash, your Tron TRX, or your Doge coin, and each actual platform of withdraw has its own minimum amount. Like for Tron, we have $1. For Add Cash, we have $1. For Doge, we have 0.5 USDT. So this is the type of stuff you can definitely withdraw from. So let's just go over to payment amount. If I click on payment amount and input the actual one, then they will you guys should definitely choose the actual one you want to withdraw with. Let me just go over to this actual store and then specify your wallet. So once you specify your wallet, they will provide here where you guys to input your wallet. This place is where you guys to put in the wallet you want to use to withdraw. Well, if you don't have your wallet, you don't have your crypto wallet, definitely you can create one for yourself and start using it for your withdrawal. So since you have known how to withdraw from the platform, let's divert to how can we make money from this platform. Like I said before, we will make money just by watching YouTube videos. So you guys to go over to the place, you guys to watch the video and start making money. So over here in my screen, you guys will see that I have dashboard and I have YouTube. So if I click on YouTube right here, they will take you to this place. Here is where you guys to see what you do. So right here, you guys will see for you to be able to earn 0.0002141 USDT or USD, you can watch it in 10 seconds for you to be able to earn that. And for our own today, we have about 900 videos to watch for today, and available for now we have 200 and something for now to watch. So let's just begin by watching one, and you guys will see currently I have 0.02945 for you to see it there. So right now I got to click on view. So when I click on view, they will take you to the second or third party website where this will count and you watch videos where it keep counting. So right here we got to watch it slow, this stuff count to the end. You have gotten your money. So this is how it looks like, and then we got to go back to check whether the money reflected, and you got to see right here that the money has been credited in our account, which you can keep on doing this definitely and continuously, and you keep making money for yourself. So since you have learned how to make money just by watching videos, there are other ways you can make money from this platform just by also referring people. You can make use of referrals, getting people in touch or introducing people to the platform, and then you make money where they also earn from the platform. So for you to do that, simply go over to this place that says referrals. So if you go over to referrals, you guys will see right here, this is your referral program, and you guys will see currently I have about 18 people registered to this platform, and one person have already got to the level 2. So which is also cool for us. So what you guys to do definitely is to copy this referral link. So when we copy the referral link, what we get guys to do next is to save it on our notes. So here is my notes. I got to paste in the link right here. So when I paste this actual link, what I had to do next is to go over to ChatGPT to write a good article for us to use it to promote the link. So this article, what it does is to convince people to be able to click on the link and then register. So once you have gotten that, definitely the person will try to make money because it's very free and very easy to operate with. So right here, I'm going to go over to my ChatGPT and then create a new chat. So what I had to chat with ChatGPT is to tell him to write a good article for us to promote this affiliate link for us. So let me just write it out and then show you guys how it looks like. So right here, guys, you see, I told ChatGPT, or I tell ChatGPT to write me a professional post on how to make money with PayUp just by watching videos, and I give a space where I'm going to put in my link. So this will make ChatGPT understand what you are talking about and how to compose the article for you and then use it for your promotion. So right here, I'm going to send it out. Okay guys, you guys to see right here that ChatGPT have write this out, and you guys to see what it means. In money, the easiest way with PayUp, and watch video and get paid. So this is what it been able to write, and right here it has to say watch and engage and earn. This is everything that you need to use to promote. So here is sign up now and start earning. So here is where you guys to paste the link, and also they provide a tags that can give it the direction it's needed to be promoted. So right here, I'm going to do what? Copy this article right here and then go over to my notes to also paste that. So guys, you guys will see that I have pasted this on my notes. What I had to do next is to copy that affiliate link I copied from the platform, and then paste it here that says your unique referral link. So I'm going to go here, then copy this actual referral link, and then go over to the notes to paste it. So guys, you guys will see right here that I have pasted this actual link right here. So what I had to do next is to go over to the platform that I will use for promotion. So you can use several platforms, which I have already taught you guys to do. You can use your Trends app, you can use your Twitter, you can use your Facebook, you can use Coral, you can use a lot of platforms for you to be able to promote this actual article. But for this video and in the purpose of this video, I'm going to use Coral to promote this actual article, because if I use Coral, it's definitely going to show in the search engine in the nearest future. So I'm going to do what? I'm going to go over to Coral to promote this actual article. So right here, this is my Coral account I have been using for so long. So what I'm going to do right now is to go over to post. So when I click on post, I got to paste the article right here. So here is where I got to paste it, and then what I will do next is to post the articles. So if you wish to put in a picture in this article, because where there is picture in the article, it gets more attention to the article. So it depends on your choice. If you want to put in a picture in the article, definitely you can use that to promote. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video and like the information being shared to you, kindly hit your subscribe button down below. Don't hesitate to also like the video, comment what you think and what to be added in the video next time. See you again in some of my other videos. Peace out.